Hi, Breckinridge County. I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome all of our students back from fall break. We've had a tremendous start back today, and we're looking forward to a good day tomorrow and can't wait to get our B group students in on Wednesday. We are resuming with our AB schedule right now after fall break, so just as a reminder, our A group students will come to school on Monday and Tuesday, and our B group students will come to school on Wednesday and Thursday, and we're going to be doing this district-wide for this week and at least next week. Our COVID data dashboard and SDIR is up and updated on our school district website. So as everyone knows, we are working through an escalation in active COVID-19 cases in Breckinridge County. This escalation has increased our SDIR over the last week to place us in what we consider the red. Please keep in mind that SDIR is something our district uses to consider multiple factors that impact the ability for our school district to have in-person instruction in our schools.
Okay, folks, so let's talk a little bit about our current SDIR. First of all, this is open to everyone in the public that would like to take a look at this. You just need to visit our school district website, and then up here at the top, you'd click on BC COVID-19 Data Dashboard. When you click on that, it's going to pull up our current dashboard. And the first thing you're going to notice is that we have our total active cases in Breckinridge County. Mr. Scott Shrewsbury from the Breckinridge County Health Department sends me this information every evening, and I'm very appreciative of that. And so you'll see where that's updated. You can also see our number of current cases in the school district, our number of quarantine on leave staff, and our number of school-related quarantine in-person students. So keep in mind, this is school-related, and currently we have 0 school-related in-person students who are quarantined that are school-related. Then when you scroll down, you'll see our chart. The school decision index rating is out of this formula right here that you can see, and it's taking a look at our current number of cases, our current cases in the school district, our on leave quarantine staff, and then we look at our KDPH incident rate level, which right now is yellow, which is really good for Breckinridge County. And then on that formula, it gives us this number, which you'll currently see is 9, and in what we consider our red area, our red status for our school district at the moment. Now you'll see that we've had an escalation in cases in Breckinridge County. On October the 5th, we had 13 active cases. As of last night, we had 38 active cases, and that's the reason that you'll see where we've been gradually increasing, and then we've had this little spike to get us up in this area. Keep in mind that just because our SDIR is in the red does not necessarily mean that we're going to cancel school. What it means, though, is that's a conversation that we have to have, and we are monitoring the situation. So when you see that we're in the red area, you need to be thinking about, what will I do if we do not have in-person instruction? Childcare is something to be thinking about. And right now, certainly we need to be thinking about that. We have 38 active cases in the district, or I'm sorry, in the community. And so how will that impact our district? Well, we have to monitor how many staff members are on quarantine, how many students are on quarantine. So I want to be very clear that just because we're in the red doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to close, but it does mean that you need to be considering different options in the event that we have to close. So I hope this has cleared up any confusion about our SDIR. Feel free to give me a call if you have any questions about that.
Our ability to keep our schools open for in-person instruction will ultimately come down to all of us in the community doing our part. We as a community need to follow social distancing recommendations, wear a facial covering when in public places, wash our hands frequently, and most importantly, model the behavior that our children will need to do while they're in school. The number of active cases in Breckinridge County have increased from 13 to 38 since October the 5th. Please understand that this will have quarantine impacts on our school district. We must continue to work together as a community to keep our schools open for in-person instruction. Thank you for all that you're doing to support our school district, and let's stay strong, Breckinridge.